A very good morning, friends. Today we'll continue lecture number 4 on binomial theorem. Basically, this lecture is based on binomial theorem of negative index and fractional index, and some theorems, relation between binomial coefficients, and some more problems. So let us begin lecture number 4 on binomial theorem. Binomial theorem for negative index or fractional index. State by writing first 4 terms the expansion of the following, where modulus x is less than 1. One plus x raised to minus 4. It is what? Minus 4c0. 1 raised to minus 4 plus minus 4c1. 1 raised to minus 5. Go on decreasing the power of 1 and increase the power of x, plus minus 4c2. 1 raised to minus 6 x square plus minus 4c3 1 raised to minus 7 x cube. So these are 4 terms plus so on. Any number c0 is what? 1. And 1 raised to any power is 1. Any number c1 is what? Same number. X. Any number c2 is what? Multiply this number from that side for 2 times. Minus 4 minus 5 upon 1 into 2. X square. Any number c3 is what? Minus 4 minus 5. पीछे से 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई कर लो अपॉन 1 2 3. Multiply from back side for 3 times. Divide by 1 2 3 into x cube plus so on. 1 minus 4x minus into minus plus 20 upon 2 is what? 10 x square. 2 3 or 6 will get cancelled. Minus 20 x cube and so on is the answer. This will give you infinite series. So next problem is 1 minus x raised to 1 by 3. It is 1 by 3 c0 1 raised to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 c1 1 raised to minus 2 by 3 into minus x plus 1 by 3 c2 1 raised to minus 5 by 3 into minus x square plus 1 by 3 c2 1 raised to minus 8 by 3 minus x raised to 3 and so on. 1 by 3 c3, which is equal to any number c0 is what? 1, and 1 raised to 1 by 3 is also 1. Any number c1 is what? Same number into minus x. Any number c2 is what? 1 by 3 into पीछे से 2 बार मल्टीप्लाई करो minus 2 by 3 upon 1 into 2 x square. Any number C3 is what? 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 5 by 3 upon 1 into 2 into 3 minus x cube will give you what? Minus of plus so on, which is equal to 1 minus x by 3 minus 2 to cancel x square by 9. This 2 will get cancelled. Minus into minus, plus into minus minus. 5x cube by 2 got cancelled. 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27, 3 are 81. State by writing first 4 terms the expansion of following where modulus b is less than modulus a. Minus 3 C0 a raised to minus 3 plus minus 3 C1 a raised to minus 4 into minus b plus minus 3 C2 a raised to minus 5 minus b square plus minus 3 C3 a raised to minus 6 into minus b cube plus so on, which is nothing but any number C0 is what? 1 into a raised to minus 3. Any number C1 is what? Same number. A raised to minus 4 into minus b. Any number C2 is what? Multiply this number from backside for 2 times. Minus 3 into minus 4 upon 1 into 2. A raised to minus 5 into minus b square is what? Plus b square. Any number C3 is what? Minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 upon 1, 2, 3. A raised to minus 6 minus b cube which is nothing but 1 upon a cube minus into minus plus 3b upon a raised to 4 minus into minus plus 3 4 is 12 upon 2 6b square upon a raised to 5. Again 4 times minus will give you what? 3 3 cancel, 2 to the 4. So 2 5 are 10, 10b cube upon a raised to 6 plus so on. Next one is a plus b raised to minus 4. Minus 4c0 a raised to plus minus 4c1 a raised to minus 5 into B plus minus 4C2 a raised to minus 6 B square minus 4C3 a raised to minus 7 B cube and so on. Any number C0 is what? 1 into a raised to minus 4. Any number C1 is what? Same number? A raised to minus 5. B. Any number C2 is what? Multiply that number from back side for 2 times. Minus 4 into minus 5 upon 1 into 2. A raised to minus 6 B square. Any number C3 is what? Minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 upon 1 to 3 a raised to minus 7 B cube plus 4 will give you 1 upon a raised to 4 minus 4 B upon a raised to 5 minus into minus plus 20 upon 2 10 B square upon a raised to 6. Triple minus will give minus 6 will get cancelled 20 B cube upon plus 4. Simplify first 3 terms in the expansion of the following. Minus 4C0 1 raised to minus 4 plus minus 4C1 1 raised to minus 5 into minus 2x minus 4C2 1 raised to minus 6 into minus 2x square plus 2 plus so on. Any number C0 is what? 1. Any number C1 is what? Same number minus 4. 1 raised to any power is 1 minus 2x. Any number C2 is what? Minus 4 into minus 5 upon 1 into 2. Minus 2 square is what? 4 x square will give you what? 1 plus 8x plus 20 upon 2 is 10. 10 into 4 plus 40 x square and so on. Here we want only 3 terms. For 5 minus, simplify using 3 terms. Minus 1 upon 3 C0 5 is to minus 1 upon 3 plus minus 1 upon 3 C2 5 is to minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 is what? Minus 4 by 3 into minus 3x plus minus 1 upon 3 C2 5 is to minus 4 by 3 minus 1 is what? Minus 7 by 3 into minus 3x square plus so on. Any number C0 is what? 1 into 5 is to minus 1 by 3. Any number C2 is what? Same number. 5 is to minus 4 by 3 into minus 3x. Any number C2 is what? Multiply this number from back side for 2 times 1 minus 4 by 3 upon 1 into 2. 5 is to minus 7 by 3 into plus 9x square and so on. Make it positive to 1 upon 5 is to 1 by 3. Minus minus plus 3 cancels, so x upon 5 is to 4 by 3. Now minus into minus again plus 2 to the 4 will get cancelled, 3 to the 9 will get cancelled, so what is left? 2x square upon 5 is to 7 by 3 plus so on. Using binomial theorem, evaluate the following up to 4 places of decimal. Root 99. Root 99 can be written as 100 minus 1 raised to half. Half C0 100 is to half plus half C1 100 is to half minus 1 is what? Minus half and into minus 1 plus half C2 100 is to minus 3 by 2 into half raised to minus 1 raised to 2 plus so on. This will give you up to 4 places of decimal. See how half C0 is what? 1. 100 to half is what? 10. Half C1 is what? Half into 1 upon 10 into minus 1. Half C2 is what? Half into minus half upon 1 into 2. 1 upon 10 cube into 1 and so on. This is 10. 1 by 2 is what? 0.5. 0.5 upon 10 is what? 0.05 with negative sign. This is again minus 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is what? 0.125 divided by 1000. 0.000125. 10 minus 0.050125. 9. 10 minus 5 is what? 9 minus 2, 9 minus 1, 9 minus 0, 9 minus 5, 4, we need to correct up to 4 places of decimal, which is what? 9.9499, because this is what? More than 5, so we will add here. Corrected to 4 places of decimal. Next is 4th root of 16.08. This can be written as 16 plus 0.08 raised to 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 C0, 16 raised to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 C1, 16 raised to 1 by 4 minus 1 is what? Minus 3 by 4 into 0.08. I think this will give you the desired number of places decimal. No need to go further. Any number C0 is what? 1. And 16 raised to 1 by 4 is what? 2. Any number C1 is what? Still number. 16, 2 raised to minus 3 means positive 1 upon 2 raised to 3 into 0.08. This is 2 plus 8 will get cancelled. 1 by 4 is what? 0.25 into 0.01. 2 plus 0.0025, which is 2.0025. Now we'll go to what? Relation between binomial coefficients. In this, we have to prove that nc0 plus nc1 plus nc2 up to ncn is what? 2 to the power n. See the proof. Consider 1 plus x raised to n. By binomial function, it is what? nc0 1 raised to n plus nc1 1 raised to n minus 1 x plus nc2 1 raised to n minus 2 x square plus nc3 1 raised to n minus 3 x cube plus so on ncn x raised to n, which is nothing but nc0 plus nc1 x plus nc2 x square plus nc3 x cube plus NCN x raised to n. Put x is equal to 1. When we substitute x is equal to 1, it will become what? 1 plus 1 raised to n. NC0 plus NC1 into 1 plus NC2, 1 square plus NC3, 1 cube plus NCN, 1 raised to n. This is 2 to the power n is equal to NC0 plus NC1, NC2, NC3 plus so on, NCN. That is NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2, NC3 plus NCN is equal to 2 to the power n. Next theorem is NC0 plus NC2 plus NC4 and so on is equal to NC1 plus NC3 plus NC5 and so on is equal to 2 raised to n minus 1. See the proof. Consider one plus x raised to n. NC0, 1 raised to any power is 1. We will not write now. NC1, x. Just keep on increasing the power of x. NC2, x square, NC3, x cube, NC4, x raised to 4, NC5, x raised to 5, plus NCN, x raised to n. Put x is equal to minus 1. 1 minus 1 raised to n is equal to NC0 plus NC1 into minus 1 plus NC2 into minus 1 square plus NC3 minus 1 cube, NC4 minus 1 raised to 4, NC5 and so on. This is 0, NC0 minus NC1 plus NC2 minus NC3 plus NC4 minus NC5 plus so on. We will bring negative terms on this side. Therefore, NC0 plus, or you can write NC1 plus NC3 plus NC5 plus so on. And what is left on that side? All even terms. NC0 plus NC2 plus NC4, NC6 and so on. both are equal and will take equal to K, say. Since in previous theorem we have proved NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 plus NC3 plus NC4 NC5 plus NC6 plus NCN. It was 2 raised to n. Now we'll separate it. NC0 plus NC2 plus NC4. Even terms will write together. Plus odd terms will write together. NC1 plus NC3 plus NC5 plus so on. Both are in their sum is 1 2 raised to n. Now this is K and this is also K. So K plus K 2 raised to n. 2K is 2 raised to n. So K is what? 2 raised to n upon 2. Law of indices says 2 raised to n minus 1. Therefore, NC0 plus NC2 plus NC4 plus so on is equal to NC1 plus NC3 plus NC5 so on, and both are equal to 2 to the power n minus 1. Let me write one note. In short, NCR is written as CR. Therefore, above two theorems can be restated as number 1, C0 plus C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus so on plus Cn is equal to 2 raised to n, and second theorem can be restated as what? C0 plus C2 plus C4 plus so on is equal to C1 plus C3 plus C5 plus so on, and both are equal to 2 to the power n minus 1. We have to prove C1 plus 2 times C2 plus 3 times C4 up to n times C4. क्या किया? N times Cn. It is n times Cn. Consider C1 plus 2 into C2 plus 3 into C3. This is again. Three into C3. Four into plus so on. N times Cn. C1 is what? NC1 plus 2 into C2 can be written as NC2. 3 into C3 can be written as NC3. C4 can be written as NC4. N times Cn can be written as NCn. NC1 is what? N plus 2 into N into N minus 1 upon 1 into 2. N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 upon 1 into 2 into 3 plus 4 times NC4 is what? N minus 1 into N minus 3 upon 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. NCn is what? 1. 10 into 1. If you see, all the terms contains n, so that n will take outside. What is left in bracket? 1 plus n will taken outside, 2 to cancel, so n minus 1 is left. Plus n will taken outside, 3 cancel. What is left? N minus 1 into n minus 2 upon 1 into 2. Plus 4 will get cancelled, n will taken out, so n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 upon 1 into 2 into 3 plus 1. And this is nothing but n minus 1 C0, n minus 1 C1, n minus 1 C2, n minus 1 C3, and last one is what? N minus 1 C, n minus. And this can be written as n times 2 raised to n minus 1. This is what we do. C0 plus C1 plus C2 plus dot 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 up to C8. Plus C8 is what? 256. Consider C0 plus C1 plus C2 up to C8 which is same as what? 8C0 plus 8C1. It is up to 8 to 8C0. 8C1 plus 8C2 and so on. Last one is what? 8C8, which is same as 2 to the power 8. 2 raised to 8 is what? 256. Or if you want to prove it fresh, then you can take 1 plus x raised to 8. And later on you replace x as what? 1. You'll get the same. C0 plus C1 plus C2, it is what? Up to 2 raised to 6. There should not be C0 here. 2 raised to 6, 64 minus C0 is what? 1. There is mistake in this. This will not be there. It begins from C1. C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C6 is equal to 16. Consider C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4 plus C5 plus C6. This can be written as C0 plus C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4 plus C5 plus C6 minus C0. Add and subtract C0. Now this is what? 2 raised to 6. And C0 is what? 1. 2 raised to 6 is what? 64. Therefore, C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus so on plus C6 is what? 63. Prove that C0 plus 2 into C1 plus 3 into C2 plus 4 into C3 up to n plus 1 into Cn. See the proof. Consider C0 plus 2 times C1 plus 3 times C2 plus 4 times C3 plus n plus 1 times Cn. This can be written as C0 plus C1 plus C2 plus C3 up to Cn. I had taken one C1, so one C1 is left. So in second bracket I'll write C1 plus 2C2 plus 3 times C3 plus 4 times C4 plus n times Cn. This sum is nothing but 2 to the power n. In previous problem we did this, or if you want you can once again write plus C1 can be written as nC1, 2 times nC2, 3 times NC3 plus so on plus n times NCN. NC1 is what? N. Plus 2 into NC2 is what? N into n minus 1 upon plus 3 into NC3 is what? N minus 1 n minus 2 upon 1, 2, 3. NCN is what? 1. 2 to the power n is there, plus we'll take n common. When you take n common, you'll get 1 plus 2 to cancel. N minus 1 plus 3 cancel. So n minus 1, n minus 2 upon 1 into 2 plus so on. We have already taken n common, so 1 is left. 2 raised to n plus n times. This is n minus 1 C0, n minus 1 C1, n minus 1 C2, and 1 can get rid of n minus 1 C n minus 1. Two raised to n plus n times. This is 2 raised to n minus 1. This can be written as 2 into 2 raised to n minus 1 into 2, law of indices, plus n into 2 raised to n minus 1. We can take 2 raised to n minus 1 common. So 2 plus n into 2 plus n plus 2, 1 and 7. This is what they want. Thank you for watching the video. गिरना गलत नहीं है, लेकिन गिर कर उठना बहुत जरूरी है. रुक जाना गलत है. आपको चलते रहना है. Okay, falling is not the problem. It is not crying. But after falling, you have to get up and start walking.